delicate slices of bread. Chop them to pieces. Transfer the chopped bread to the blender.
Like the cool blue light. Like the cool blue light. Like the cool blue light. Like the cool blue light.
Add half cup of milk.
Like the cool blue light. Like the cool blue light.
And blend it to a smooth paste. Now transfer the ground paste to a pan. Add half to 1 cup of powdered sugar. Mix it well. Now add 1 cup of milk. Mix it well. Add 2 tablespoons of Agar Agar powder. Now you can cook the mixture on low to medium flame. Once it thickens, take 3 bowls and transfer the mixture to it equally. Grease the mold with butter. Now you can add your desired colors to these mixtures.
Like the cool blue light. 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 Like the cool blue.
Now transfer the colored mixtures to the mold.
Like the cool blue light.
Refrigerate the mixture till it sets. Once it sets, then mold it. The colorful bread pudding is now ready to be served. Hope you enjoy. This brings us to the end of this recipe. Please leave a like, share it with your loved ones, subscribe to my channel and click the bell for post notifications. See you in the next video with another amazing recipe. Till then, stay safe and goodbye.
Like the cool blue light.